Bij de kennis- en innovatie...
At the Knowledge and Innovation Department, we find solutions for large-scale challenges. For example, how do you ensure that the water in a pool won't slosh over the edge while at sea? Or how do we process the large amounts of data we receive from our yacht into our service network? We also research deck materials such as teak.
Materialen zoals teak.
She was built in the 50s and now reimagined. Welcome to Finding Mira.
Teak is een tropische hardhout.
Teak is a tropical hardwood with natural oils, which makes it very durable and highly desirable. Soon, new regulations in Europe will restrict the import of hardwoods that contribute to deforestation. This is fantastic news, but it also means we need to research alternative materials such as teak from plantations.
Op de Mira zijn we nog
On the Mira, we took it a step further. The material we used isn't wood, but it's also not plastic. It's a composite made from rice waste material. The rice husks are mixed with a polymer substance, giving it a natural look, high resistance to stains, and great durability. In the end, we always strive to meet our clients' demands. The deck that the client receives must convey a sense of luxury and quality. Above all, it has to be beautiful and stay beautiful. That's why we continually research materials that will retain their quality and feel for as long as possible.
gevoel blijven behouden.